alligator right there. There's another alligator. See it? He's a bigger one. Oh man, that's gotta be 20 or 30 mile per hour wind right there. Oh man, that is no joke.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real.
As we enter, come make we take it on the biggest adventure.
Must be dementia that you ever thought you could touch our credentials. What's the initials?
QB Jam Rock, the lyrical official. Send out the order, laws and the rituals.
Burn candles, say prayers, paint murals. It is truth, we big news, we hood heroes.
For us the anchor, we come to conquer. Man a bad man, we not play Willy Wonka.
And I got the guns,
I got the ganja.
and we can blaze it up on your block if you wanna. Or haze it up, stash spots in a Hummer. Or you can run up and get done up.
Or get something that you want none of. Unlimited amount to collect from us, direct from us, street intellectuals.
What's up guys? It was pretty windy, so I got over here where it's a little bit more protected and started throwing a rattle trap and got a nice little bass over here. I'm gonna go ahead and get him back in the water and see if I can't get another one.